In this video, I'll show you how to reset a PSN password if you've forgotten it on your PS5 Pro. Now, all you have to do is go to the PlayStation Store or any point whereby it prompts you to sign in and select sign in. And then from here, you should see this section whereby you can use a QR code or you can select sign in manually. Now, at the bottom right corner, you should see the option can sign in. So press on that triangle and then type in the email address that you used for that particular account. So type it in and then click on next. And then PlayStation will send you an email so that you can use it to reset your password. Now all you have to do is go to your email and access the email from Sony and select it. And then from here you should see this option, recover your account. Click on that and give it a few seconds. And then from here you'll be prompted to this page whereby you can recover your account by creating a new passkey, or you can create a password. So for me, I'll just use a password. So create a password and then now type in the new password that you'd like to use for that particular account. So type in another password. Now once you type in the password, click on OK. And then now you should see that password has successfully been changed. Now you can go back to the PlayStation and sign in to your account. So on the PlayStation, simply select sign in manually and then now type in the new password that you just created. And then once you're done, click on sign in and now that will sign in using your new password. So give it a few seconds and then you might be prompted to create a PS5 login password. You can simply choose to do that. For me, I'll just select OK. And now you have successfully reset your forgotten password. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.